Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be powder coating the cowling on an EOTech sight. I picked up this sight for nothing. Part of the reason why I got it for nothing was the condition of it. The cowling on it has seen a lot of use, a lot of wear and tear, and I figured it'd be interesting to go ahead and do a powder coat. I'm used to powder coating bullets. This will be my first powder coat done on other metal or something else besides bullets during the bullet making process. So take a look at the cowling. You can see the condition of the cowling here. Pretty well worn, but obviously the cowling did its job. It's protecting what's underneath. So this is what I want to go ahead and clean up and then powder coat and see how it comes out, what it ends up looking like. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we'll let that cool off for a bit. Coating looks pretty good. Let's see how it did. As far as the baking process, I set it right around, say, between 200 and 300 degrees, and I adjusted the temperature up and down based on while I was monitoring and looking at it, seeing what it was doing. Probably took about 25-30 minutes. I did not want to burn that paint, so just paying real close attention to it. As far as this oven, I picked this up at a thrift store for maybe $7-8. Actually, I can tell you exactly what I paid for it here on the back. Yeah, that was $8. And I use this for powder coating bullets. You can see that in my other videos, but I'll never eat anything out of it. That's why I didn't want to get anything nice. So yeah, that's another part of the tools that you would need to do this project. Not expensive at all. Here it is coming out of the oven. We've given it time to cool. My fancy little block that I made here to keep it from resting on anything. Looks like I have a couple of little holes or weak spots or thin spots. You got one right there, one right through there. Doesn't bother me one bit though. Now this was the semi-gloss, or maybe gloss, I'm not sure which, but I had this powder. I'll go ahead and put a link in here to a couple of different products that you can use. The fast dry degreaser, I'll put that in there as well that gets this clean enough and makes the powder stick better. as well as that powder coating gun that I have in there. That's a Chicago Electric. It's not expensive at all. If you click the link below, you'll probably get that for $80. And I'll also do a flat army green powder coat paint that'll be in an Amazon link. So pretty durable. Let's go ahead and put this on the EOTech and see what it looks like all completed. I'd say looking a sight bit better. Kind of an interesting color there with the olive drab green on there. I like it. It'll go back on and be a nice little addition to the rifle. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd ask you to consider something new. I've added a Patreon link below. Those are for people who want to go that extra mile, support the channel, the efforts that we're making here, and I hope you find it entertaining enough to support it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.